Here's why Galaxy Z Flip 6 in crafted black isn't made of real carbon fiber. The full of ecstasy aura formed around the features and specifications of the recently launched Galaxy Z Flip 6 seems unwavering, and that's very well validated given the response this handset has received. Out of the 7 colorways offered on the new Samsung clamshell phone, those in blue, silver shadow, mint, and yellow gathered the most acclaim from around the world, the reason being their commonness. However, crafted black, the somewhat neglected color option of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, has recently begun making rounds on the internet, and that is the subject GAD Insider is here to talk at length about. Besides giving a substantial portion of consideration to specifications, the exclusive hues and finishes are what enthusiasts wait a whole year to see from Samsung, and which is Samsung's ultimate creative craft. If you're a smartphone geek with extensive insights into what sort of material is used in manufacturing, then you must have pondered over why the Galaxy Z Flip in crafted black isn't made of real carbon fiber. The reason behind this Samsung foldable phone not using real carbon fiber is that fiber blocks radio waves, which can take a toll on any smartphone. On the other hand, the issue has nicely been resolved by blending carbon fibers with composite components to make it give a realistic carbon fiber look. This meticulous processing is a play behind the sharp and attractive appeal of the Galaxy Z Flip in crafted black, boasting a look that makes you take it as one made of authentic carbon and aramid fiber.